Okay guys, we're back. We've got Shabir in the house.
Hey Nick.
We're gonna throw together a quick one. The next episode in the It's Not Gourmet Bro series. It's gonna be
Peppered pineapple slow cooker short rib.
Yeah, and who's over there? Look at this dude. Look at this guy. He's never in the videos. This is the Joe. Say hi to Joe. No? Paleo Jonas. All right, we're gonna be right back. Get your slow cookers ready. Get your pineapple ready, and just get ready. Okay guys, we've got, Shabir's gonna run the bowl. I'm gonna have him mixing this stuff up. I'm gonna be hacking up the pineapple and the onions, and it's gonna be less than 5 minutes. We'll have this whole thing in the cooker. So here goes nothing. Go ahead with the short ribs into the bowl. Yeah, let's go with 2.5 tablespoons. You can actually use a spoon if you want. Yeah, and then pepper, we're gonna go let's just go 1 tablespoon. How about 1? Go ahead and throw those in. And then if you wanna take those cloves of garlic up there.
Yep.
How many would you guesstimate are in there?
28.
28 cloves, so 28 cloves of garlic. Maybe 1 or 2 bulbs if you're buying them fresh.
Okay.
Go ahead and toss those in there, mix that up. And then here I'm just gonna dice up, large dice on these onions, kind of give it the hack cut. 1, 2, 3, 1.5 onions. We'll get those in there. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Let me pull the crock out. Let's go ahead and transfer that here. I can help you. Beautiful. Looking good, looking good. And what do you think about, should we put some soy sauce in here?
A little
tamari?
Yeah.
I didn't put any in the other one, but I think it might be a good idea.
That'd be a good idea.
Just a touch,
Yeah.
okay. So let me give you this. I'll show you guys a quick little tip here. I got my can of pineapple juice. Got the first hole in here. And then what you want to do, across from that hole, if you give it a second little tab just like that, it'll pour smoothly because it'll be able to suck air in. You see that? That way you're not gulp, gulp, gulp. And if you want to do 3/4 of that can. Yeah, let's go until we can just see it. Because what happened was I used the whole can and I ended up pulling some out as it cooked down and overflowed. So let's just say we're gonna leave 1 cup in there.
Okay.
46 food ounces, so we're gonna use 38 ounces. And then should just give a couple organic, wheat-free, gluten-free tamari,
Or you can use,
coconut aminos.
there you go.
Paleo Shabir. He knows it all. This guy knows it all. That looks good, man. So let's just throw the lid on. Get her in here. We're gonna go high for 7 hours. High for 7, low for maybe 10, 12 hours, somewhere in there.
Sounds good.
And if you want to come in close, we'll do our little magical razzle dazzle.
I was waiting for this.
3, 2, 1.
Bam!
Sweet, dude. Nice work. Looks a little bit different, huh? What the heck? So this time we mixed it up where I cooked it off, poured it into this hotel pan, and let it cool. And that's how you're gonna get the most flavor, if you allow your meats, veggies to cool in the braising liquid, and then go from there. So when we do this, we also get this fat cap on top, and we'll be able to peel all that fat away. We're gonna get this portioned out and show you what that looks like. Okay guys, so we're gonna finish it off. Shabir had mentioned maybe some red chili.
Yeah, a little heat.
That'll heat with the sweet.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. So I'm just gonna come in with some sambal. The size of the dollop is contingent upon your affinity for hot food, right? So don't let me, and we're running out. Now you guys, we'll talk about, it's not gourmet, but just the beef here, short ribs are kind of expensive. It's about $6.50 a pound right now, even at the warehouse stores. And all this meat, just for the meat, was 40 bucks. The pineapple was 3 bucks. Onions, you know, another couple bucks for the pineapple juice. So we're looking at probably, I don't know, $45, $48 for 6 meals. So that's 8 bucks a meal just for food cost from the warehouse store, right? So while it's not gourmet, it's still kind of gourmet. This is the kind of food that you're gonna look forward to, and recommend giving it a shot. If you look at, this is the one that I did, nice and fluffy. And then Shabir did his best to squeeze these and flatten them as flat. But it's all right, we're here to learn. And not to tear apart our man Shabir. My man and I, we're just here doing what we can to help you guys
Keep it paleo.
paleo.